everybody. Hi, crafting ladies. It's Debbie again. I'm getting ready to videotape for you what the next craft class is, where we're doing the puzzle pieces that Glow has put together for us. So I want to make sure you watch the videos so that you're able to do it real smoothly, okay? So even as Evie and I are doing it, we're finding out what works best. So I'm going to show you on Glow's table. You're going to have pieces of hardware. I'm going to call these pieces hardware, okay? They're side pieces. You'll have them in your envelope with the 4 puzzle pieces. Use E6000 and glue each one of them on first. And the reason for that is so that they're not getting knocked all over your table. Once you get them put on, they're stuck, and now all you're worrying about is the papers and things that need decoupage. These don't need decoupage. And so you're going to get an envelope, not an envelope, you're going to get a plastic bag that has 4 puzzle pieces in it, and it's going to have some choices that are hardware pieces that are in the bag. So whatever you don't use, you can just give back to me, okay? And other than that, you're going to go to the table and you're going to pick these things out. And these are stickers. These are stickers. Sticker, sticker. And so after we get done here, then we're going to put decoupage. We're going to put decoupage down. Remember, these are stickers, so you might want to take the sticker apart first and then get these apart and then decoupage this one. And then you're going to lay it right down in the decoupage. Okay, and then we're going to dry it. We're going to have dryers. You go dry it. After you dry it, then we're going to use a sparkly decoupage all over the top. It's going to seal the whole thing. But first you're going to use regular decoupage to put it down on the puzzle piece. You're going to dry it after you put everything down. And then the last thing you're going to do is go get some sparkly decoupage from the back table, like we're used to in those little plates. And then you're going to come do a very light, sparkly coat on top of what you've designed. And these are all the ones that I'm making. So we're hoping you have fun just picking out the things that you really speak to you. And we have Evie over here who's doing hers. And Evie's got, you can see the total difference in our personalities. Look at, she loves sparkle. And I love it too. Maybe I should have just let her make mine. But anyway, she's making very pretty ones, and she's just starting to glue down the hardware so that it doesn't move around as she's getting ready to put her Mod Podge over the top. Okay, ladies, I'm going to show you another thing you need to know about, okay? This sticker that goes on there, when I lay it down here, it doesn't fit. So Glow is going to remind us that you can cut that entire words right out of there. In fact, I did that on this one. But I didn't do it on this one, so now I started to think about putting down my decoupage and putting that in there. But I don't want it to hang over. Now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't hang over. But just know that you can cut these out really tight to make them fit, okay? All right.
Oh, sweet.
Hey, ladies, when you get your decoupage, I want you to squirt it on the plate. Okay, squirt it on the plate. And then use your sponge to get a little bit of it on your sponge, and then put it on here. This is already set in decoupage. So decoupage, and then put it on your thing. Then separate the back off this, and then lay it down into the decoupage, okay? And then when we're done, when this is dry, all I have to do is put glitter on top of it where I want the glitter. Okay, and that's it, and we'll be done. But you get 4 of these. They're so pretty. We can't wait to see you during the day 10 to 12 in the church, in the sanctuary, 10 to 12 at the church. This Tuesday, the 14th of April. Say hi, Glow.
Hi.
Where are you? There you
I'm
are.
right here. Hello.
Say hi, Evie.
Hi.
This is what it's like at craft practice. So here we are getting ready, making our own, and we're very excited. They're turning out really, really pretty. You're going to love it. See you soon. Bye.